Big number.
Yep. So that's what I've been looking at. Let's see what they do here. And you are
And you were
almost coming
almost
to a
coming to
death
a
Yo,
death
yo,
crossing
cross
yo.
here.
We
between the
are
50 and the 200
live.
today.
It's
It's
gonna help.
top of the morning. And we are ready to trade these stocks. Let me go live on Rumble. Hold on. Start stream. And welcome. We live, man. We live, baby. Mic check 1 2. Mic check 1 2. Yes, sir. Mic check 1 2. Yes, sir. Mic check. We are live, back in effect. You feel me? I'm just waiting for this image to upload real quick, and we be good to go, man. Here we are. And let's get ready to motherfucking rumble. You hear me? Yes, my mouth is still swollen. I know I look crazy. I have my teeth pulled out, man. I know my mouth look crazy, dog. Damn. That'd be like that sometime, man. I had to go to the dentist, get teeth extraction, you know. A lot of bed rest, you feel me? Just trying to take it easy, trying to get my face back down. But we here, man. Hold up.
But balance it off.
From real life trading tomorrow to end the week. Meta helping out the overall market here. So Microsoft is down, the information is down yesterday. Meta taking us up today, folks. Thanks for pre-market prep.
Dog, I look like a fucking chipmunk, dog. Damn. Alright, we got some
Start that cycle. All joking aside, that's what's going on with Meta. We covered Polyrise. Calibio here is the next one. KALA. We traded this right here before 13. You might even have levels from some of.
So we got this shit. Let's look at Bitcoin chart real quick. Bitcoin look like it's trying to bounce from that little bullshit. I said bullshit, bullpen. I'm tripping. Hold on. I mean, listen, we got some ways to go. 34% move back to all-time highs. And it's about what? Just to get to back to 100,000, that's about a 8% move. Okay. Alright, so we got this shit going on. Okay. Let's see what the Q's is doing right now, man. Hold on. It's the 5 minute? Oh, that's what I said. Okay. There we Oh, wow. Keys like it's trying to push up a little bit. That's some big volume right down to 5 minute. Okay. Okay, that's why the spot look. I like spot setup right here better. Man, we watching Spy right now. Okay. Okay. Let me look at my shit. Oh, yes, please. Thank you. Huh? No. Yeah. You're welcome. Oh man, I gotta get the ice pack, man. As per doctor's orders, man. Oh, you know what? I didn't even do my intro. Holy shit. Let's do my intro real quick. I am so sorry about that, y'all boys. Hold on. We always gotta start off with the intro, man. Always.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are tonight's entertainment.
Yeah, nigga, we here, y'all boys, nigga, we here. Stock by the slides, you feel me? It's a good day in the neighborhood, you feel me? When Bitcoin looking like it's trying to rally, you got these bullpens forming right here, right at the Bollinger Bands. Golden Zone right here. Ooh, let me see. Welcome to the Trill Money Empire Show, nigga. Ah, fuck. Damn, man. Getting your teeth extracted ain't no joke, my boy. Ooh. Oh, what do we have here? MSTR? Oversold bounce play potentially. It's setting up with the same pattern as Bitcoin right now. Right here. It's not oversold, but it's setting up. And it's interesting. We might have a Zret, man. We might have a play in hand, dog. Hold on. Alright, let's just focus on this side of the move right here, right? So, boom. MSTR from here. Wow, just from here, it's like 232. That's a 16% move. I have a feeling it could maybe want to bounce to these moving averages right here. Potentially. What's PLTR doing? I'm not gonna lie, PLTR look like it's setting up. It pulled back. Wait a minute now, hold on. It's at 207.52, right? We'll just keep it at 64. Let's fix that right there. Let's shade this golden range, golden zone right here. Okay. Alright, golden zone starts by entry pit right here. Alright, there we go. And what is that? 188. Let's add an alert there. Yeah, keep it for the month. I want every time create, and then add an alert for what? 207.52. There we go. Now we're ready. %, move, about 18% move to all-time highs. Not bad. Oh shit, that sure hurt. Okay. Alright, let's get okay, let me see. So we got Bitcoin. Let's look. What time is it? 9:17. We got 13 minutes to market open. QBTS. What's going on with QBTS right now? That's interesting. It bounced off the 200 EMA. I missed that trade. Look, it bounced 30%. I missed that trade. Wow. Let's see. It bounced off the 200 EMA. That's a good sign. Let's just remove that trend line. First of all, what's the up gap is right now? Hold on. PLRZ. Damn, up 131%. On nasal spray milestone. It says Raging Bull. Listen up for what's up. Oh shit. That's interesting. Okay.
Hey guys,
it's Will. Hopefully you're having a great day today. So while the defense market has been shaky, you see companies like
Black
Sky
Sky
have some sell-offs.
Black Sky has some sell-offs.
But
one of our top five AI stocks we've been watching, Big Bear AI, has been on a trend upward over the last year from $1 a share, and it's been holding above this $5 range, and we're looking for it to hold above $5.50. This morning, when we were in our daily live trading session, we saw that it did bounce down right this morning. You could see that big sell-off we were anticipating from a lot of the stocks, as there's kind of this uptrend where they were uptrending here and potentially would sell down into this range around 550. They did bounce the 550 price point. You can see it was just about 562, and then they're continuing back up here after hours, about 4.5%. There's three things that we look at when we're analyzing a stock. The first is going to be the market. The second is going to be the analysis of the financials, the news, and the charts, and then the risk to reward. Well, the big beautiful bill was not good for some industries, particularly in maybe education, if you're looking for more funding for things related to research and development. There's certain things that
Right now he's talking about BBAI. So he's just explaining what's going on with that stock. So let's get that situated. Hold on. Before we can listen to that audio about BBAI. Hold on. We got about a 36% move to BBI, which I think it can get to, but I think it wants to get over here, the 950. I think it could get to 950 right here. So let's listen up.
were not as beautiful with the big beautiful bill. There were some things related to, probably healthcare, some things like that as well that maybe weren't perfect. But one of the things that was very adamant about the big beautiful bill was that they're going to increase defense spend.
Quick mic check, quick mic check. Quick mic check, quick mic check. Alright, we're good. Quick mic check, quick mic check.
And defense spending is something that you have this whole kind of ecosystem of companies that are in the defense market, and the value that they provide is a lot of times related to maybe warfare, it could be related to cybersecurity, it could be related to surveillance, or it could be related to AI. And in this case, a lot of the top companies that are actually securing the largest contracts in defense are related to tech. You saw it when it was like Doge, and you had Elon and what's his name? I don't want to mispronounce his name. Something Shwami was in there with Vinek, I think his name, something Shwami, was in there with the defense and spending around and looking at the spending in government from all parts across the government with Doge. And they said that basically the US government needs a tech company, right? So what do you have then? You got the big beautiful bill. You definitely got some more money coming into that. Then you had the Democrats actually block a defense spending bill in the shutdown. And that's when the whole defense market had a rough time. So during the shutdown, you actually had Big Bear AI sell down big time during that time, all the way down from what was around $9.45 to as low as $5 a share. So big drop down in most defense companies. That's not just Big Bear, that's every defense company. And then the market now has seen more spending. There was one contract that came out in defense, I think it was AMTM, who secured like $1 billion deal. Then you had Black Sky come in with some deals. CTM actually secured some deals recently. They're holding above $1 a share. Palantir has done fine. They've got the revenues. Redwire has secured some more deals. We were trading them this morning actually in a small trade this morning. It looks like we're up. Oh, it's not really moved much, but it's green right now, just about $15. Nothing crazy. We're actually looking for potentially over $500 to $1,000 trade on Redwire. We were looking at it this morning in our daily live trading session, and they're a partner of Big Bear AI as well. And so Big Bear AI is partnered with Redwire, they're partnered with Palantir, and so the market's in their favor really because they got some things moving for them, more defense spending, and the other part of the market for the defense market. And this is really for almost any defense companies that are gearing up to try and push certain, let's say, contracts through related to people coming in and out of the United States, is the defense spending on things related to the 2026 FIFA World Cup and the 2028 Olympics. Both of those are coming. Thank you, darling. I appreciate you. So both of those things are coming to the United States, and you have that as a major focus for national security. Now, in that same breath, you could see the CEO, who was previously on the acting secretary of, I think it was Department of Defense or Homeland Security or Border Protections, Kevin McAleenan, is one of the members of this company, the CEO, that would be getting those deals for them. And then on the right side, you actually see this company. It's called Ask Sage. You see that? So Ask Sage is actually a company that has many government contracts, okay? And they are an generative AI model kind of library for top US companies. So they work with some of the top models. You can see some of the models they work with, and they have partners in like the Department of Defense, over 13,000 government contracts, including US Air Force and Space Force. And so the model right now is that Big Bear AI purchased them. So they're preparing for that market. The other market that's growing for Big Bear is their computer vision, the True Face and the VeriScan. But how does that impact pricing, and what does that look like? Because they have the VeriScan technology. That's a big factor. They've deployed into dozens of airports with this facial scanner that scans your face when you go in and out of the airports. And they're at some of the top airports in the world. So they're at Denver International Airport, Los Angeles, they're in Charlotte, in Nashville, in JFK, in Heathrow Airport, and they're deploying this AI identity authentication here. So that's a market. And that brings us to the real world value. Do you see more money coming in? The spending is up, so that ties the market well. The financials, more revenue. Their revenue has been kind of flat. They need more revenue. And then the balance sheet, their assets have surged. They are looking good on the balance sheet. They got almost $1 billion in assets. So that brings us kind of into the analysis, right, of the financials. You can look at the market. Market's validated. AI defense, big market. It's growing, and they're a partner here with Palantir and some others. And so Big Bear AI, they haven't seen the revenue really increase. They need to come in with this next quarter with some more revenue, because after acquiring this new Ask Sage company for $250 million, we'd like to see them, turn that into some profit. That being said, they did come in with a positive net income in the last quarter, which is an increase there on the net profit margin of 100%. And then you got the balance sheet up to $1 billion, which is healthy for Big Bear. So the value in knowing the analysis of the financials, things look pretty good.
BNDP.
If we look at the buyers and
QCLS,
sellers according to NASDAQ, you got JP Morgan, BlackRock,
QCLS,
Swiss National Bank,
CMBM,
State Street Investing,
PWAV,
company, and
PLRZ, QCLS,
versus
AARD,
just 100
PLRZ,
PLRZ,
QCLS, QCLS,
capital flowing into this company,
NWTG,
institutions.
CMBM,
So
ABV,
that kind of brings us to
MAGH,
the news of the company, what they've come out with.
COW,
There's
CMBR,
new deployments that they have definitely in their market
CHMX, DOGS,
related to
PLRZ,
the Veriscan.
MFI,
They also just
VIOA,
diluted investors here with the recent
ALLR, ARTL,
shareholder
JTAI,
meeting that they had, and then they
DOGS,
basically
CMBM,
signed something here.
TLYS,
The news that came out here,
JXG,
they
MFI,
actually approved, authorized
BQ,
shares,
AMPG,
shareholders
XAIR, TZUP,
approved higher authorized shares
MNRO,
and bylaw update.
TLYS,
This filing impact
HPK,
neutral, insights
NWTG,
neutral. But basically what they did is the
ALMU,
company's stockholders approved the
MDCX,
amendment to increase authorized common shares from
MNRO,
500
TLYS,
million to 1
AMPG,
billion based on the votes
IBIO,
recorded.
MNRO, PATH, MNRO, SGBS,
Alright, market is open. Let's see what we got. Alright, market is open. What the fuck was that?
ADLB.
NGCX, MAGH, SGBX,
Q's and
JTAI.
flat on the day. It looks like SPY's been leading past few days. I'm not gonna lie. Past few days, I'm not gonna lie.
PLRZ,
Damn, trading views loud as hell.
MHH,
PLRZ.
VRCA, GRPN, SEB, MDCX, GBM, TWNP, PLRZ, DIBS, SEB, PMCB, JTAI, SGBS, GEOS, PMCB, GEOS, SVCO, PATH,
NVA.
MNTN, MDCX, STEM, Beam, SGBX, OMDA, SGBX, MDCX, MLGO, GEOS, MLGO, EPOW, LHSW, STSS, CBLL, NUKK, JTA,
Still looking at SPY. Let's look at Tesla. What's Tesla doing?
PRC, PLRZ, TTSH, GRPN, DIBS, SARS, YYX, Note, MRKR, TZUP, EPOW, YYAI,
It's close to all-time highs, not gonna lie.
WHF, TZUP, WHF, PGL, SPAI,
Now, where's JMIA and all of it? Okay, it's back under $12. Okay. Walk. Okay, once again, we got IONQ back at around $50. It looks like it's setting up to break out.
MAGH SPAI BNTC SKBL PLRZ WAC SPAI HPK GRLO Few TZUP ANBS PLRZ HPK MLGO Kala
What's QSI looking? Okay, looks
Dollar
pretty well. I like that.
SKBL
QSI looking too, not looking too bad.
RNAC Kala NA
GLXG.
Tate
Okay.
PLRZ
RGTI. Oh, it just previous all-time high. I like that.
EPSM BNC
I like that from RGTI.
AISL
What's the pullback on this? Hold up. This
TLRZ
pullback. Damn, this shit pulled back 63%. That's crazy, kid.
ABV HPK ABGRPN BOSC SGBX SGBX ALIX TNXP TZUP
And Rich Tech just shot 2% just now. Rich Tech is ready to go, bro. Wow, Rich Tech is ready to go. As I can see, I got some March calls. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but hold up. Oh, wait.
WKUY
Yeah, see it?
WKUY
I don't know if y'all can see it on the phone, but I got March calls. I'm up a good amount so far.
ABV
Not so bad.
SGBX NKLR NKLR SHPH CD
Let me quickly see what Holly's doing. Hold on.
ABV GRPN UNCY NRXP Path YYAI GNPX Host WHF XYF AISP ABV ONMT AISP KRRO SBEV MSGY
NVA.
There we go. Alright. So Rich Tech's trying to break out, huh? Rich Tech. Alexander McQueen. Rich in the paint. Cause we rich in the paint. Cause we rich in the paint.
SGBX GNPX SGBX JFIN SGBX ONMT
Damn, boy, Rich Tech taking off, bro. It's up 5%. What's going on? Is SPY moving? No. SPY's pretty flat on the day so far. Is SPY's, where's the Q's? Okay, Q's in the red. So BBAI is up about 1%. It's setting up though. BBAI is setting up, but Rich Tech look like they want to move, man. Wow. I'm telling you guys, robotics, bro.
MLTX, Aero.
Robotics disrupt, man. Y'all need to sleep. I'm trying to give y'all to play early, so y'all can't say a nigga cuffing the dread or I ain't know y'all ain't put me on. That's Nate. I got this shit right here, kid.
YYAI. KRRO. KRRO.
OMDA.
SGBX. GRPN. SGBX. JLC, HPK.
So I just got a notification that IONQ is popping off, and it is. Okay.
SGBX.
That's good. That's good for the quantum sector. Where's sound?
MSBI.
DOT.
BQ. VWAV. YYAI. LNKB. Flock. GRPN.
Soundhound, we're still waiting for it. It look like it's basing out right here. As soon as it get, I got the 1270s that buying.
XXS.
1270, 1765.
NBA.
That's about a what, 40% move basically. It's not bad at all. It's not bad. New
CSC.
crypto listing.
WAP.
AREO. Okay.
TGLNKB.
GNDP.
CSAI. KRRO. CSAI. INSG. KRRO. UNCY. GRPN. VWAV. HPK.
That 1270 buying trade is gonna be crucial.
WKEY.
Now what we got going on with Rich Tech, I'm fucking with it.
DPSM. ONMD.
Let's listen to the
This
BBAI again.
does not
Not
itself
issue
issue shares, but expands the maximum number the company could issue in the future for purposes such as financing, acquisitions, or equity compensation, depending on later board decisions.
PHIO.
That's
ONMD.
part of what's coming on when you're owning common shares versus preferred shares.
JXG.
Is there could be some risk for dilution there. Now maybe it's
GRPN.
like comes in the form of a stock split or something like that. Probably not though. It may come in the form of
VWAV.
dilution. It's very common for
SPRC.
smaller
Colin.
companies to do that. The
DGLY.
market cap
STEM.
is at 2.6 billion, so they're
Colin.
not super small.
ABV.
But it's still something to watch, right? Now, how does that impact maybe the future? Let's take a look at Prophecy, and let's jump
ILFY.
into the machine here.
Xena.
Formerly the machine, nowadays we
ALV.
call it Prophecy, which is a much cooler
AHT.
name.
LFS.
We got Big Bear AI projections over the next
INSG,
month, according to
OSS,
Grok, look
ABV,
bullish at 4.2%. Again, kind of factoring
Kala.
in the buying and selling from BlackRock and
HPRO,
Citadel and
AFCG.
State Street. You do see more buying and selling. And then on the insider side, I'm not fully sure. It looks like maybe more sells. Yeah, a little bit more sells than buys.
Looks.
Which isn't bad,
MAGH,
but could suggest
MCS,
position adjustments.
UNCY.
They had a change in CEO recently, which may be impacting the
SSSS.
insider buying and selling. But overall, you got 261 buys. So we kind of went over that again in the NASDAQ data, but just from the
MDCX.
machine. Top transactors indicating some bullish momentum with more acquisitions. And if you're looking at the analysis of the company, this is where we kind of get into, hey, let's look at the
XYF.
chart. Let's start to look at where things are. So news looks fairly good.
WYFI.
They are down to this $5 a share price point.
AHMA.
So this level
AHMA,
here in their
CD,
overall uptrend over the last year
VVOS.
is a level here where they've consolidated
AHMA.
between that $5 and $6 price point. So they're currently, if they're around that $5 price point, the resistance is at $6.50.
AARD.
Okay, that's where they kind of got rejected pre-market today or after hours yesterday. And as
MDCX.
they're starting
QCLS.
to recover, they're looking to get back up into 650. with a support at that $5.50 range that they
MFI.
bounced at this morning, as we mentioned.
AHT.
So in the near term, nearest support
IVDA.
level is going to be right here around that 550 range. It's about a 6% sell down
ASLE.
if they can't hold it. But they are consolidating from left to
JAGX.
right. They're looking to break back up above that 650 range.
WDO.
Maybe they sell down
INSG.
first. They're trying to break out above
QCLS.
650, which would be a 6% increase.
AARD.
To next levels would be around 750 to $8.50, which would be a
PHIO.
40% increase on the bullish momentum.
INSG.
Now, overall uptrend has
GNTA.
been really bullish. They're right down at that 200-day moving average. They're looking to break above the EMA, that blue
Lex.
line, which
Seat.
oftentimes they're
INSG.
below, they're bearish, they're
KZIA.
above, they're bullish.
WDO.
They're trying to break above it. If they break above here,
QCLS.
kind of looking like next target, again, is going to be 650 to $8, $9, or even $10 a share. Kind of
GWH.
continuing that
AMR.
trend that they've been holding above
PAF.
the 200-day moving
Bosk.
average since this time last year when they were at $1 per share. They're at $6 now. So with that being said, you look at the
Aero.
projections. Looks like, let's take a look at the next week here.
SNBR. GWH.
Okay, so over the next week,
ASLE.
this sell down, they are saying that they're maybe going to hold
GLXG.
that
ELBM.
$6
CYCU.
650 resistance, but that you can see a potential sell down here
EXXS,
into that kind of
CITR,
575.
SNCR.
So what the AI is looking at right now,
GWH.
and why Grok
MAGH.
is saying that it could be a sell down,
INMT.
is that they are going to sell down into this range down here. They're going to sell down a little
DGLY.
bit further, and then after that, they're anticipating a push up. According to Grok,
TALP.
next week a little bit bearish, but then by next
ATCL.
week looking bullish
SEP.
into the 630, 650 range. And most models are pretty bullish,
QCLS.
over 40 or 38% over the next year. I think that's even pretty
INSG. Beam.
conservative, I think. Personally.
GLOL.
I mean, as my position, I've been in it since $1, or watching it since $1. We're average $2.80 in the stock.
SEP.
And then
PAF.
Prophecy, when we use
QCLS.
Claude as well, I'd
QCLS.
like to get a full analysis
GLOL.
on Claude.
TGEN.
15% projection
JAGX.
over the next month. That's pretty bullish.
Xena.
I mean, again, you got that $6.50
KZIA.
resistance, but they're looking to push up to
AARDL.
$6.75 to $7 a share.
UHG.
So again, we'll be
Shake.
watching there at Market Open tomorrow morning. If you
NKLR.
guys want to tune into our
NALR.
daily live
NUKK.
trading session, see if any opportunities present themselves, you can always tune on
SAIR.
in, see my
MCS.
entries, see my
Shake.
exits, and surround yourself with like-minded investors. We're looking for that move again up to
NUKK.
about 650, and maybe we can trade it tomorrow morning.
NUKK.
Unless we get that dip
MCS.
at Market Open like we have been
AEVA.
getting in
Shout.
bullish markets, we get a dip at
ASLE.
Market Open, then potentially recover throughout the rest of the day.
AEVA.
Whatever happens, when it happens,
PHIO.
tomorrow morning we'll be watching and seeing if we can see
GNPX.
those
FBYD.
opportunities at Market Open.
SGBX.
So again, that's the second link
ASLE.
below for StockMate if you'd like to join us there.
SGBX.
On top of that, when it comes to the Prophecy Machine, if you haven't had a chance and you'd like to start using some AI in your analysis and get into the loop on all the stocks and don't lose the ability to stay in the loop and get the
Aero.
refresh on these companies, let's see how Claude
SEP.
says. Claude is a little more conservative, about 32% over the next year. How do they look over the next year?
ADUR.
Are they saying some
ADUR.
red? Maybe no, they're saying
NKLR.
a little more
SEP.
green. So it's good to see some different models. We also just recently added an average of all the models via Prophecy AI. So if you'd like to use
SNBR.
tools like this, again, it's the first link
KZIA.
below to get your hands on. Prophecy.
NKLR.
Appreciate you all. Thanks so much for tuning in. If I earned your thumbs up, hit the like button. Let me know what you think
Kala.
about the projections. Again, kind of consolidating between that 550 and 650. So potential sell down here into that
ADUR.
540.
Tusk.
They can't hold it,
Lex.
but looking to knock on the door of 650 right now. Let me know what you think.
KZIA.
If you agree, what you think in the comment section below. And thanks so much for tuning in, guys.
MCS.
Appreciate you all.
PHIO.
Do consider
Spear.
subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.
Spear.
And there you go with that little
GNGN.
education
GNGN.
from
Did y'all
BBAI.
see what, I think it was, who was the coach? J Group?
KZIA. Flux.
Let me see.
QCLS. SEP. KZIA. NKLR. ONMD. RDGT. STEM. KZIA. STEM.
AFJK.
SEP. QCLS. INSG. ADMD. GNPX. TALP. TGEN
There you go, Path.
CD.
Let's see if I make 20-30% move on this trade. Following along with Holly.
GNPX SAP TAOP
The spread is big though, I'm not gonna lie.
STEM ICG
URE.
STEM SAP GNPX EVA SAP VRCA SAP JXG VRCA LUD FTK TAOP Hoth MPLT KYT FBR
As soon as it was ready to pop.
ARAL
Shit right
RCT
there. Soon as that junk was ready to pop.
SAP
Nah. I don't want you to take off.
CABR SAP ARAL ADUR ADUR SAP SGBX TNXP SAP JXG DMD SAP
Irish Tech still up about 2%. BBI up about 2%.
NUKK DMD
Oh,
WKUY.
AKOD, bro.
GLOL
Sep.
WKUY JXG TNXP WKUY WYFI YSXT TNXP TAOP TNXP WKUY ENLV TNXP NNBC OKUR WKUY GBX
Let me see. No, let me see.
SHMD SHMD MDCX ONEG CD Flock
Got some watches on there, okay.
MAGH MDCX ALLR SGBX MDCX CSAI SGBX 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 Seat MAGH ONEG Mind
Nah, Harley AI is fire, bro.
TAOP.
Harley AI is fire.
Lud. CD. MSBI. MDCX. MAGH. MSBI. TNXP. MAGH.
MDX.
MDCX. TAOP. TNXP. TTEC. MDCX. SGBX.
Thanks, I'm gonna go to $20, man.
Wavy. SGBX. Path. MDCX. LNLX. Wavy. Shy. TNXP. KRRO. MSGBX. CNCK. CNCK. Mind. TNXP. IMMX. TNXP. MDCX. MVO. Hollow.
CITR.
MDCX. SHMT. Seat. CTXR. Kala. Seb. OWLT. SNBR. IMMX. AMBR. Path. Tusk. Hollow. TGEN. IMMX. LFS. BTAI. Hollow. LIXT. IMMX. Hollow. IMMX. SHMT. LFS. Shy. KRRO. KRRO. BTAI. SHMT. MSBI.
PBR.A.
AVTX. LIXT. CST. ACRV. AQMS. KLRS. JXG. SNBR. Kala. Path. TAOP. AEMD. Kala. SNBR. Seat. CST. AEMD. Shout. SGBX. WTAEY. KLRS. SNCR. CINT.
What? What? Yeah, like 2 days. And then start eating soft food. Like mashed potato.
CBU. NXT.
Okay, thank you.
USEG. ASLE. SNCR. MPLT. TAOP. SNCR. EAF. Fox.
CITR.
CBLL. NUKK. TAOP. Agro. INCTAI. CBLL. ASLE. Kala. EAF. IBIO. TAOP. ACRV. TAOP. TNXP. Seat. EPSM. EAF. Vape. BQ.
There you go, Rich Tech.
BQ. TNXP.
Excuse me.
Agro. IMMX. TNXP. Agro. NUKK. IMMX, MVO, BQ, MVO, Tusk, BQ, NNBC, IMMX, BTAI, BDMD, IMLK, Pine, BQ, LNKB, OWLT, ASLE, KRRO, Tusk, ACRV, EPSM,
This path is looking decent right now.
AFCG, KRRO,
Yeah, man. You just gotta see.
IMMX,
Not force any trades, man. We're not forcing any trades right now.
OWLTDGLY, TAOP,
And serve on my watch list is up how much? 20%?
LNKB,
Goodness,
Vague,
KOTK.
CST, DEVS, IMMX, DEVS, QCLS, BQ, GSUN, EAF,
QCLS.
MVO,
Wow, BDI
TAOP.
is up 5% right now. What's going on?
BTA,
Ooh, okay.
DEVS,
Ready to break out of this pattern right here.
IMMX,
EPLD is up at $30. Wow. And break out over 30. I might consider taking a swing trade on the APLD.
CINT, Vague, SNBR, IMMX, SNBR, EPSM, Hollow, YSXT, EPSM, DDMD, GNPX, TRA, IMMX, ARO, CSAI, IMMX, WUY, KRRO, EAF, SNBR, Hollow, SGBX,
I just want to make 20% on path.
BTAI,
Well, between 10 and 30% on path, but
BTAI,
ideally I want to target 20%
KRRO,
profit take on path.
NBC,
Nigga gotta sweat that shit, man. Come on, man. Come to data.
Hollow, BTAI,
I see volumes coming in, so there you go,
SGBX,
path. There you go.
BBW.
GNPX,
QCLS.
QCLS,
Give me that breakout of the Bollinger thing, man.
GNPX, GNPX, SNBR, Fox,
Break out of that Bollinger Band.
YSXT, QCLS, EPSM, ASLE, SHPH, KER, OWLT, QCLS, MTAX, QCLS, WIFI, FMST, OWLT, ASLE, EAF, QCLS, KER, EPSM, GNPX, BTAI, GNPX.
Let's see. Come on, pal. Get to $18 if you can. That'll be free, man.
BTAI. MVO. DGLY.
Yeah.
MVO. MVIO. QCLS. RNTX. EAF. AMWYSXT. QCLS, ONMD, QCLS, Bearn, MVO, AARD, KLRS, LESL, PMCB, CINT. QCLS, HYPD, MVO, ALLR, TNXP, CINT. QCLS, HYPD, MSBI. GEOS, ACRTX,
TNXP,
ARO,
MLTX,
ACRV,
Vern,
ARO,
AARD,
ACRV,
ARO, HYPD,
TBCH,
NKLR,
NKLR,
ARO,
TUSK,
NKLR, AARD,
TUSK,
KLRS, MLTX, GMBR,
QCLS,
YSXT, ARO,
MVO,
NKLR, CBLL, PATH, OSS,
AXGN,
NKLR,
SMJF,
TNXP,
OSS,
HYPD,
OSS,
IMMX, TAOP, NKLR, PRLD,
OSSP,
LTX, NBY, OSS, NKLR, MVO, TAOP, NRXP, HYPD, NVA, CVU, HYPD, Hollow, TAOP, SGBX, MSBI, BLFY, ACRV, ARTL,
Agro,
SGBX, Agro, ARTL, Neon, TAOP, GP, WVUY,
Agro,
ALLR, APM,
GRE,
HYPD,
YSXT,
MLTR, OCUL,
Agro,
Here,
HYPD,
MVO,
YSXT,
TNXP,
ISLA,
MHH, OSS, MHH,
Agro,
We got
YSXT,
IMQ going off. Okay.
HYPD, Seat, TBCH, Spear, WVUY, AVTX, VEE,
Agro,
TTEC, ARTL, Bern,
Hollow,
MHGL,
ARTL,
ARTL,
Hollow,
Hollow,
USAR, ARTL, MHH, TNXP, SGBX, AVTX, SGBX, Kerr, ONMD, TNXP, ADRX, ONMD, FBYD, GLMD, Bearn, ADTX, Tusk, QMCO, TNXP, OCUL, NUKK, BEE, USAR, HYRZ, INRL, Clear, Kerr, HYPD, NKLR, Kerr, NKLR, DAKYBE, Geos, CBLL, BEE, FBYD, QMCO, SGBX, QMCO, NYK, MCS, SGBX, BLFY, SGBX, FTK, SGBX, Agro, CGL, TNXP, PRLD, MGX, Aero, MSBI, ETHC, Neon, SGBX, MSBX, SGBX, TTEC, MSBX, SGBX, Spear, OPRX, SGBX, IDN.
Oh my god, BBAI is up 8%.
SGBX, EAF, STAR, LBS,
Hey Siri.
WKS,
FaceTime audio Jerry.
Bearn, Aero, Shake, Kerr, TNXP, TNXP, PESI, Seat, ADTX,
Your call has been forwarded to
Flux, ADTX, Gree, TBRD, BLFY, ACRV, TNXP, QMCO, TBRD, JXG, TNXP, LPSN, TMHH, TNXTEC, Sept, Flux, here, ADTX.
Tonight it is younger brother Shaq. Gotta go. Curry got his first one here. Dangerous time right now. Curry, this is beyond the arc. He's got that one. Step back. Curry inside the line that time. That's a 2. Hey, there's GA. Chet's got 14 in the game. Somehow off balance. Nails the 3.
TK.
In uniform tonight, it is younger brother Shaq. Gotta go.
Sept.
Curry got it. Here. Dangerous time right now. Curry, this is beyond the arc. He's got that one as well. Step step back. Curry inside the line that time. That's a 2. Good SGA. Chet's got 14 in the game. Curry inside. Nails the 3.
TNXP.
There is a Curry in uniform tonight. It is younger brother Shaq. Gotta go.
ACRB. PRLD. Path.
Oh, path's still going, huh?
Here.
Okay.
FMST. Neon. Boss. WUY. Flux. Type. CVU. Here. OWLTEYPT. MRAM. TNXP. Agro. TNXP. WKSPLL. Xena. KPTI. Boss.
Okay. What was it?
YD. Geos. HKIT. Here.
Oh.
SHPH.
Oh, wow.
Geos.
I see why they went short. This was the time to go short right here. This was a signal. Powerful signal. If I could catch it on the weekly, dog, I'm gonna catch one of these trades on the weekly, but I swear. Alright, BBAI is up 7%. English Tech's up about 2%.
IMMX. WKSP. Here. IMMX. Park. TNXP. AGRZ.
About time.
AGRZ. ALLR. AGRZ. WUY. MSBI. Here. Mind.
Let's go, Rich Tech.
EYPT.
Let's get up to what? To $5. You can get there. You can get to $5, man. You got it.
IVDA. Shake.
Listen,
MSBI.
this shit could break out very soon. Let me look at the weekly real quick. Oh yeah.
Shake.
Oh yeah.
TNXP. WKUY. Here. MLGO. TNXP. BKSY. IVDA. NKLR.
BBAI trying to go off right now. Let's go. We get over $7. That's the new thing for us, bro. Ooh, QSI, bro.
ONMD. TNXP. OWLT. AMLS. Fly. Walk.
QSI is up 4% right now. Okay.
FMST. IMMX.
IVDA.
TNXP. AEVA. Bosk. TNXP. Bosk. TNXP. Walk. JBIS. Aero. TNXP. MSBI. Agro. ETHC. Chris. RMCO. Aero. Walk. TNXP.
That's interesting, bro. Let me see.
OCUL. USAR. EOSC. MLTX. SGBX. Agro. SGBX. SPRC. AMBR.
We got $100 million going up right now. We got BBAI going up right now. BBI is about 8%. And Rich Tech still around 436. Let's leave the screen on BBAI.
Chris.
Let's leave it on BBAI for now. Hold on.
Here. NIVF. Kerr. AMBR.
Alright, I think we good right here, bruh. This should be more than ideal, bro.
DXST.
I think we could part right around this area.
BDMD.
Alright, let me go take a quick sesh real quick. Give me like 5 minutes. I'll be back. In the meantime, let's listen to some audio about Chris Paul. Carmelo Anthony calls out the Clippers for sending Chris Paul home. Let's take a listen to that audio while I go get some shit ready real quick. You feel me?
CRBP.
And we're gonna keep this screen on
AGRC.
so I can follow along.
ONMT. USAR. NKLR.
This is 7 p.m. post game coming to y'all Wednesday and Thursday nights right after the games. We tap in on what is happening around the league, react to what went down the night before, and get into what is bubbling across the NBA.
Yeah, and what we're talking about today checks all those categories because it happened in the league and it happened in the middle of the night. The Clippers sent Chris Paul home. They didn't waive him, they didn't cut him. They were just like, go home. We're going to figure out a way to end this relationship. The beginning of the season felt like it was going to be a Chris Paul, farewell tour. He announced that he was retiring in the middle of the season. And, not only is he one of the best point guards of all time, he is he's arguably the greatest player in the Clippers franchise, right? Like, as far as accomplishments, everything, he is as big as a player that has ever played.
QCLS.
For the Hilly Mellow coming out right now. I know this is gonna be a fun subject to talk about for me, but maybe not so much for you because CP is your man.
No, it's we can talk about it.
All right, so let's get right into it, man. Like,
I haven't spoken to CP, by the way.
Okay, that was gonna be my first thing. Like, have you spoken to him?
Not yet.
From your perspective, that notification hits your phone. What's the first thing that goes through your mind?
It's sad to say, but
NKLR.
when you go through it, you
Fly.
see it
Fly.
happening. Right, you see it snowballing slowly.
It's like a train on the tracks.
You see it, and you already know
CBLL.
what to expect. I mean, now I can say I know what to expect now, but I seen it, and it's a couple guys that's in the league
MLGR.
that I see it starting to happen to.
NKLR. EAF.
The CP situation it's a fucked up situation because there's a lot of people who may disagree with CP.
The first thing I've heard is like,
no, I'm just saying there's a lot of people.
CP's a hard guy to play for.
Fuck all of that.
Yeah.
Fuck all that. There's a lot of tough CEOs out there. There's a lot of tough founders. There's a lot of tough leaders. There's a lot of tough people out there. But there's a lot of people who don't, players who may dislike Chris Paul for whatever reason. They have their own reasons too. That don't negate what he did for the game of basketball, right? We're not going to see another CP in this game for a long time. Like, this is the last of what we're going to see at that position.
You talk about floor generals.
Just a floor general, a visionary, a leader, a dog, a killer. Like, and maybe that's why a lot of people don't fuck with him or don't like him, because he is all of those things.
You think for those reasons?
Tenacious. He don't give up. Like he do anything to win.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So when you that size, that position, the leader, like you got to put a lot of people in play. You got to put a lot of people in those positions, and a lot of times some people may not like how you carry it with them because of the position that you're in.
I think it's
and
speaking.
Sometimes you may not like it as a personal. You might get offended personally.
But I think it's speaking of for obvious
I'm
reasons.
speaking in general. I'm not speaking on nobody.
No. I mean, you're speaking prime Chris Paul.
I'm speaking legacy.
Legacy, of course.
Right? I'm speaking journey and legacy. Right.
Yeah.
So we know what Chris Paul have done for this game.
Yeah.
We know what Chris Paul have done for every team, every organization that he's went to. Right.
Yeah.
He put those teams and those organizations in positions to win championship. Now, did he ever do it? No. Granted, injuries, he got there, injuries, whatever happened. That don't negate who he is. When you think of the Clippers, who you think of?
Lob City, Chris Paul.
You think of Chris Paul.
Mm-hmm.
Now, there's other guys that came before. There's the Baron Davises and those Elton Brands and
Darius Miles, Q
Rich.
Yeah.
You got Lamar. You got to pay homage to those guys. When you think about the Clippers, you think about Chris Paul. Chris Paul come back to the Clippers and say, "Hey, here's a play. I want to be close to the fam. Listen, I want to see if I can help the team. Y'all need a backup point guard. Cool." They say, Chris Paul, maybe you may play a little bit. You may not. I don't know what was the shit that they negotiated. I'm gonna retire. Let me ride out. This is the organization. This is home. This is I done put these Clippers to the world.
Right.
I done brought excitement to the Clippers where nobody was caring about the Clippers. It was Lakers. There wasn't no Clippers. So for him to go through that at this point in time,
and then in the middle of the night,
4 months to go, because the Clippers ain't making the playoffs.
Nah.
So you really got 4 months to go. Maybe 4.5 before the season is over. Out of respect, and this is why I say that there's no level of respect. When it's time for you to go. Legacy doesn't mean shit in a sense, because when they want you out of there, they don't think about legacy.
Right.
What are you about to get for CP right now by sending him home? What do you get out of sending CP home? What do you get unless you're coming to him and saying, "Hey, CP, hey, we're gonna let you go, and we want you to go and try to get on another team, be a free agent, try to win a championship." Unless you're telling him that, then I don't want to hear nothing else. You can't send Chris Paul home.
Yeah. Like you can,
it's saying
because
why,
it's happening.
But it happened. But I'm just saying why though?
It's like
why?
How do you? I think
what did you expect from Chris Paul right now? To say that he's not delivering to the point where I have to send him home on a road trip and we 3 in 1,000.
I don't think it's that. I think it's everything you just said before them sending him home. He's a pit bull. He does everything for a team. Like he's a leader. Like he probably at that time, you know what I mean? Goes in there thinking everything you just said. I'm synonymous with Lob City. I want to end my career here. I want to be close to my family. I want to do all this type of stuff. So for them to go from that to send them home, I think it's one of many things that's just a large problem with just the Clippers in general. The Clippers in general. Look at the Clippers
You
here
can't
this
tell
year.
me Chris Paul
Look at
is, you can't tell me CP
says-
is that disruptive to the point where I gotta send him home. Bro.
No, to me, it says more about the Clippers than it says about Chris Paul, is what I'm saying. Think of the Clippers year this year. The Clippers year start off with the Pablo Torre, the tree planting that Vince and I were talking about.
I get all of that.
Kawhi gets hurt. They sign Bradley Beal. Bradley Beal gets hurt. They're 5-17 or whatever it is. Like James Harden's doing his damnedest
James
to
is
keep
playing,
them,
he's playing well.
you know
yeah.
what I mean, to keep them relevant. You know what I'm saying? And it's like, and Kawhi's hurt again, and Chris Paul probably didn't think it was gonna go like this.
And Chris Paul wanted to go home, be close to his family, be close to his support system, be close to his son, Ludacris, who is actually coming into his own as his own basketball player, right? So now I want to be close to that. I want to be. I missed out on my kids. I missed out on my son. I missed out on seeing him, you know, go play through basketball. Like I want to be there for my son. So I'm gonna go back home to the Clippers where I have a house there, maybe building another house. My family is here. My whole family is here.
Right.
This is the organization that is mine. I'm synonymous with this organization.
MVO.
All right, Melo.
How and why? What happened that you feel like you have to?
That's what I want to know, Melo.
I'm telling you what.
You're my Hall of Famer. You're somebody we don't wildly speculate on the show.
This is the dark side of. This is the fucked up side of the sport.
Right.
Right. And I know a lot of people say, "Well, Chris Paul is older," but you still don't do that. Treat it. You should treat that with a level of respect. Because now you playing with somebody's legacy. It ain't about wins and losses right now. I should have enough respect for you and your legacy not to let you go out like this. You got 4 months here. We got 4 months. You got 4 fucking months. The guy's retiring in April.
Melo, I don't like to wildly speculate on the show. I like to be the fact-based guy.
The facts, what we know is the facts that we know.
But
they on the road. They sent the nigga back to California.
Walk
That's
with me,
what
though.
we know.
Walk with me. All right, walk with me. All right.
Lawrence
He goes
Frank
into LA.
made the decision.
He goes into LA with all of this. Like, yo, I want to come. I want to finish my career in LA. He didn't announce he wanted to retire until a couple weeks into the season.
Oh, my man. Listen.
If he signed to LA and being like, yo, this is it.
I hold you to higher regards in that case.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I want to know.
Because you know, and you seen what was happening.
Right.
We all knew what was going to happen. Chris Paul was going to go back to the Clippers, and he was going in this career with the Clippers.
Right.
Right? The Clippers said, yes, we're for that. Did they guarantee Chris Paul to play? Maybe, maybe not.
ARCT.
But Chris Paul is going to go do what he do
EPSM.
in the time that you give him that. Now, if he's holding people accountable over there, and y'all not willing, you know, and y'all part of a generation that you can't hold nobody accountable no more, then that could be overpowering to the powers that be.
That's what I'm trying to say.
Because the powers that be don't even have that power to hold these guys accountable.
That's what I'm trying to say.
So now I got somebody in the locker room who, my name is up here. This is my shit. So I'm willing to give the advice and I'm willing to work, but I'm also still the lion and the tiger that I am. I'm still the alpha that I am. So if y'all not ready for that shit, y'all shouldn't allow me to come back.
All of that I agree with. But the one thing that didn't happen was they weren't winning, right? Like,
that makes it even worse.
That's what makes it worse. Exactly. Like they weren't winning. Y'all still weren't playing me. And on top of all that, like, I can't not shake the feeling that Chris Paul came from the past couple of franchises he came from.
Come on, bro.
Golden State, Houston, Phoenix, all franchise that had deep runs to the playoffs, deep runs to the championship. Didn't win it, but like played well there, you know? And he wants to go and do the right thing and end his career in a place that probably means somewhere sentimental to him. He gets there for a couple weeks, looks around, and is like, bro,
can I say something, please? Can I say something?
Yeah.
This is why.
IBIO.
And people will call me selfish. They call me selfish when I made this decision. I'm not going back to the Knicks and be the 15th, 14th man on the roster. You know why? Because if shit go left You know who they pointing to? And that's the easiest spot that we can get rid of and bring somebody else in.
Yep.
No matter what, I can say I scored 62 in the guard, and I can say I got 28,000 points. No matter what. In that time, in that season, in that moment, if I'd have got on that team and Tibbs would have been saying, we need to fill this spot, I would have been out of there.
And now you're embarrassed.
And now you're embarrassed. Yeah. So imagine CP right now. He's embarrassed that my own organization that I brought back to relevance is shitting on me. We ain't talking about what I'm doing right now or what have you done for me lately. You fucking with my legacy now. Now, not everybody can speak on legacy. But you fucking with my legacy now.
All right, so how do we fix the legacy? Let's give you, I'm gonna give you 3.
You can't fuck with you can't touch the legacy. The legacy is what it is. But
he's certified.
You're trying to put a dent into this legacy.
No matter what the Clippers do in the future, bro, they can't take away from how much of a Hall of Fame.
But that's what they're gonna say.
Chris Paul is.
Well, we can't take away the fact that what you have done.
But if you're Chris
right
Paul,
now,
if you're Chris Paul in this situation, I'm gonna give you 3 hypotheticals, right?
Man.
What do?
You know this shit pisses me off. This type of shit.
I know it though, but
we got to Russ. It's happening to Russ.
Yeah.
It's about to happen to DeMar DeRozan. It's about to happen to all of these niggas. AD is about to happen. The next trade that AD happens, it's going downhill from here. This is what's about to happen.
All right. So
it's unfortunate that trend. I understand it, but the way that our legends of the game get treated, it's fucked up.
I feel like there's a lot of people who want to hypothesize.
Well, give me 3 scenarios that you was about to say.
These scenarios, but even before I get to them, you just think it's a wrap with Chris. You think Chris is gonna? You don't think that's?
This has nothing to do with basketball.
No, not for basketball.
I'm saying
but
emotionally, spiritually, mentally. Like, I just came back home. I want to leave home now, and I'm already comfortable with being in the environment of my kids, and I'm waking up to my son every day, and my daughter. I get to take my kids to school. I get to go train my son. Fuck this shit. Like, at the end of the day, what else am I gonna get from this? I'm not chasing the championship right now. I'm not doing that. I'm not gonna do that. This is it. For me, I'm saying,
he's done.
For me.
Okay.
For me, I'm just saying for me, because you're gonna keep getting shitted on.
SNBR.
You're gonna keep getting shitted on.
So you think the Clippers just waive him, let him go, or
waive? What they just do? They send a nigga home.
They sent him home. They haven't technically waived him yet, but
that's waived, bro. They tell you don't come back around the team.
No. Yeah, I don't think he's gonna suit up for the Clippers ever again. I'm saying
he's not coming to another game.
They're gonna figure out a way to get rid of him. Is what they say.
This is what the fuck I'm trying to say. There's no more Clippers, so he's waived.
So do you think
he's let go by the Clippers?
Okay. So what's his next most logical step career-wise?
Go be with your family, bro.
Come sit with us at 7 p.m. in Brooklyn.
Go be with your family. lock in the Chris.
CBRS.
Lock into to your family, your kids. You ain't gonna want it's gonna be an ego hit because you ain't gonna want to go out like that.
Yeah.
You ain't gonna want to go out like that because it's embarrassing.
IBIO.
But what's gonna keep you strong
ENLV
is your kids. The fact that you take your daughters to school, you can take your son to school, you're gonna start realizing the stresses is getting less and less and less. I ain't gotta wake up the next day. I ain't gotta think about no shoot around. I ain't gotta think about competing. I ain't gotta think about what anybody got to say about basketball because now I get to live through my son right there. And I'm speaking from experience. And he's similar because he got a son that's on his way up too. So go be with the fam. That shit ain't
MCRP.
We can't play this shit forever. And once we get past the pride and the ego, we're gonna realize, hey, it's just a business.
Xena.
Ain't no more important person to hear from than that man right there. So on that note, this is 7 p.m. in Brooklyn, the Wave Original presented by FanDuel, and this is 7 p.m. post game. You know what to do. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, podcast channels, leave a like, leave a rating, leave a review. Only good ones for the Hall of Famer Carmelo Anthony.
Yes,
I'm Kaz. We catch y'all next time this Monday. Brand new episode of 7 p.m. in Brooklyn, right here in the Hook, people. Peace.
Peace. You can leave a bad review. We'll review that too.
Just good ones. Nah, man, it's the holidays. I need good stuff.
NPCE.
Good. Are y'all surprised
SHPH.
by the Thunder's dominance so far this season?
No.
20-1?
Yeah, I'm not surprised.
BWEN.
One bit.
AP. CETY.
They better than the rest of the NBA, man. That's why they won it. For one. For two, like I said, the biggest free agent they got was confidence. Right? Them dudes, man, they came into this thing believing that they can do it again. And to do that, you got to get off to a hot start. We got to lock in from game one. No championship hangover like a lot of teams go through.
XAIR.
We've seen that before where you come out and playing lackadaisical the first month of the season. Now you playing 500 ball. Now you really got to push the gas and turn it on to get like back to being 1-2 seed. You know what I'm saying? So, no, I think they did an excellent job, man.
EYPT.
Shout out to Shea for leading that with your number 2 being out. With J-Dub being out, I think for them to
IMSR.
still hold the fort down. And
IBIO.
it's huge. It's huge for them, for their confidence moving forward for the rest of the season. And like I stated when we first talked about them, I think they're going to break the record.
CETY. CPSH.
They're going to break that 73-9. So
you talk about no championship hangover. They started the season with back-to-back double overtime wins against the Rockets. Pacers, obviously Pacers trash this year, but Rockets solid squad. But Swaggy, when you look at this Thunder, are you surprised at all by just how dominant they've been? We knew they would come out strong, but 20-1 right now, on pace to break the Warriors single season wins record.
Nah, like you said, I feel like the confidence is there once you get that wolf off your back and you finally win. You could,
RNAC.
you know, it ain't gonna no stopping from there. And I feel like Shea got that Kobe mentality a little bit.
GSUN.
You don't become great until you win multiple. You know,
Riley.
That's when they consider you one of the greatest.
GNPX.
Like they all playing with that chip on their shoulder.
Xena.
They are the best team in the league besides the Lakers.
Well,
SGN.
we will discuss
BKSY.
what the Lakers got going on shortly. But that wolf off their back, is that Anthony Edwards?
Nah, that's Denver. When you get past the team that, you know, people expect to beat you, and no matter how good you play, somehow they always win. When you finally get that victory, I feel like that gives you the confidence for sure.
Xena.
Let's move over to Cemetery Larry.
NPC.
Looking at the Thunder squad, what they've been able to accomplish so far this season. No Jalen Williams for most of the season. Obviously, Hartenstein down now for a little bit. But SGA doing what he's doing, Chet playing at a high level. You got a lot of guys on that roster stepping up.
As y'all know, I like to talk hoop. So I think number one is you have to win the game. I think getting off to a hot start is important. Both of them and the Lakers have done that. I think the Pistons as well. But when I look at their schedule, when you talk about who they've played thus far, minus the Rockets, you got a bunch of struggling teams that they've done exactly what they're supposed to do. From the Grizzlies to the Kings, to the Warriors, to the Clippers. They beat the shit out of the Lakers. I think this was before they kind of caught their stride. Hornets, Pelicans, Jazz, Blazers.
BKKT, XGN.
Still think the Timberwolves are struggling a bit. Suns gave them a run for their money.
AMPG.
Barely kind of got through the Blazers this last time. I think at any point during the season, you do have a challenge. And I think that's going to be something that either fatigue or injury is going to set in. If they happen to stay healthy the whole time, they can get that. They can get a record, but the whistles they get,
USAR.
Teams they've been playing up against, it's kind of difficult to kind of gauge it
Riley.
from my perspective.
CBLL.
Because they haven't really truly been tested. And I think once those tests come, we get to see how good they truly are compared to last year.
PTN.
Seeing that they didn't have any really major acquisitions in the summer, they just run it back. And we're always seeing teams that don't do that struggle late. So it's going to be something of, to me, it's going to be a spectacle to see. I think it's going to be something that I'm looking forward to as far as a test. I just don't like the Kobe comparisons for SGA.
We're going to talk. We will talk about that.
Kind of leave that alone. Mention somebody else. There's so many other players to mention. But yeah, he's playing well. I mean, despite all the things that's happening for the team and him being able to get out there and not play fourth quarters and all that type of stuff.
HYPD.
Let him do what he do. You know what I'm saying? It got nothing to do with the homie.
They beating people by damn near 16 points a night, bro. They didn't make the schedule.
That's what I say.
So they going to only play the team that's in front of them. Well, that's all of them right now.
GEMI.
So as you look at this Thunder squad, about a quarter of the way through the season, 21 games, have won 20 of those 21 games.
It looks like the same thing when after Golden State won their championship and they started that next season damn near undefeated. Right, that was with Luke Walton.
Yeah.
Right, they came out with a hot start. And it's the same thing, right? You've proved to yourself that you are champions. You proved to yourself that you are the best team by winning the championship the year before. And they didn't think that was good enough for them. Right? They wasn't satisfied with just winning the championship because I don't think they liked the way they did it.
TTEC.
With rumbles and you have Hallie talking about if he was playing, they would have won that game. So, you know what I mean? Little things like that, right? Kept that championship team wanting more, and they've shown it, right? Their record's 20-1.
CBLL.
They've been tested. If you look at preseason rankings and who was ranked,
CIFR.
Who was 2, who was 3, who was 4, they smacked on them. Where they are now, that's irrelevant.
FTK.
Right? Clippers were supposed to be the second best team in the league. Smack daddy. Right? They beat Denver. They beat Houston. They beat the Lakers. They beat every team that's supposed to meet them in the championship. Right? The team they lost to, bottom feeder. They just let up. But every team that was preseason, and you look at their preseason ranking, they've beat through them. Right? So when we say who is
KZIA. KZIA.
They beat them Nuggets by 3, I think.
MPLT. Shy. Die. ACRV. PRZO.
They have not played the Nuggets yet.
10-17, that wasn't the Nuggets?
Preseason.
The preseason? Well, they beat them by 3. They beat them niggas by 3. Right? So, the testers themselves, right? It's who's going to beat them is them. There's no opponent that they're afraid of at this point.
I don't see that happening. I don't see them beating themselves.
Like usually when a team loses, it's inner.
Yeah, I don't.
Right? You're fighting within each other, right? You're fighting who wants the ball, who needs the ball, who is the star.
HYPD.
No. Right, the second option leaves, somebody steps up, right?
AJ Mitchell's ball.
What's then Hartenstein goes out, and they get J-Dub back.
Yeah.
So it's like you don't miss a beat.
Yeah.
Because they got plug, like we've been saying, they got plug and play guys, man. Like they've done an excellent job at scouting and drafting and getting the same like-minded, like-skilled guys.
MGX.
That if a guy goes down, they can plug another guy in, man. So
GWH.
They got the league figured out, man. We're gonna come out, we're gonna defend y'all at a high level. We got multiple guys to do that. We're gonna get after y'all on the defensive end.
WTF.
And the games are over after 3 quarters. So we can rest
JRIN.
this guy. He's going to be fresh at the end of the season because you don't have the miles that he normally would have had.
DMRC.
So,
RICO.
they get through this month with what, 2 losses? Come on, like let's be honest. Like if they lose 2 games this month or 3 games this month,
CIFR.
they're still ahead of the curve.
MGX.
Like, they are still like.
So you got that 2015-16 Warrior squad, started the season 24-0, didn't get their second loss till game 31. They were 29-2. just something for us to monitor right now. It's Thunder 20-1.
How did they end the season that year? How did it end?
They were 73-9.
73-9.
What happened?
What do you mean?
Did they win the championship?
They did not.
Oh.
That's the juggernaut.
You know why?
JXG, Xena,
Because it's still the NBA. Still got to play.
EOSE, DMRC,
Still going to battle to the end. Still going to test your might.
SKYT,
That's what I mean. I'm hoping they get to a point where they're comfortable, like everybody's saying. But I still think there's a Detroit, there's teams out there that could step up to that challenge and beat them when it matters most. I think the momentum will take them over the top. Just like the Lakers continue their momentum, they'll get to where they need to be. Certain teams can ride the momentum, but I think the true test is going to come when you're playing against teams who match up with you well, who are going to push you to the limit, who's going to force the whistles to balance out. I think that's what Houston did early on in the first game. Took them to the limit.
What teams is that you speak of?
Maybe 4, 5 teams.
Which teams?
Denver, Houston. I like San Antonio. I like Detroit. I like the Knicks.
Of the ones you named, I go with Denver because they got the equalizer and they revamped their roster, and Detroit. Other than that, they gonna smack the rest of them dudes.
BKKT,
And the only team they got to worry about over there is
MJKT, ESOA,
I said
MVIX,
Denver,
XYF.
Detroit.
Yeah. You think Detroit would
I think Houston beats them.
Compete with them.
I don't think a healthy Wemby.
I don't think Houston has enough.
XYF,
I don't think Houston got
I think
enough.
Detroit's too young right now.
Because they can take what's name out of the game.
Riley,
In a couple years.
I don't think
They can take Reece out of the game.
it's competition.
MDWD,
right?
MDWD,
When you step up to compete
SKYT,
against a team who's
CABR, GP,
mentally tough,
DGLY,
they stabilize, they understand what to do.
BTM,
The competition
JXG,
rises to the occasion. It's not
EOSE,
necessarily what you did
RGC.
last year, none of that. It's how we play. It's how we am I gonna step up and stop SGA based on
GSS.
my competition level? Not I'm scared or he getting whistles. I
In the
think
playoffs,
Nobody been doing
the
it.
other guys got to make big shots too, though.
first
And
game of the
who you
season.
relying on in Detroit besides?
Fly,
I agree.
That's the thing I'm talking. You know,
But they not fully healthy either.
BKKT, Shake,
So, and you think about Detroit, you think about Houston.
ACRB,
That game, they lost.
GWH,
Eamon
MLGO,
Thompson, I think he was out early.
IMSR,
So there's a lot of things that happened.
He played that game.
He played, but he got
They had him at
hurt. I
Spear,
think he got hurt early.
AISY,
Yeah.
He had cramps.
And that was late in the game, and they took them to the
ACRB.
overtime. Double overtime.
But what happened?
Jalen Williams.
But what happened?
So it makes it a
But what
tough
happened
game.
though? But what happened?
They found a way to win.
But what happened when that shit
Sure.
said 000? What was the
No,
final
I get that. That's not part of the conversation.
No, so no, but you
Not
brought
my point.
CHGY.
That's not my point.
But what happened though? You brought it up. But
But
what
that's
happened?
not my point. My point is
But
the
they lost.
competition.
But they lost.
Yeah, we get it.
SCGG.
I get it.
Competition.
No, I get
Because
it.
they lost that competition.
That's the end. But I'm talking about the game.
Well, you brought the end of the season up, so I'm
No,
bringing in
but
the game.
I'm explaining the gameplay.
Yeah, they lost.
Aaron.
They lost.
So who we got it? They
EOSE,
lost.
Yes,
The gameplay. The gameplay.
Yeah.
How they lost.
BKKT,
But they
I
had
like
more
to talk
points.
who.
The other team had more
I
points.
don't want to skip to the end.
The other team had
Geos.
more
I like to
points.
walk them through the whole.
So that was 20 games ago.
So when we say at the end of the game,
That was 20 games ago.
KD stay on the
ARCT,
floor.
That was 20
He
games
don't
ago.
jump for that little pump
GSSI.
fake.
Xena,
We're talking ifs and fifths.
MDAI,
Oh, don't we do that all the time?
Not ifs and fifths. We know the result.
We talk about ifs and
DBIA,
fifths all the time.
So we know the result though. They lost.
So that's why I
CST,
say the
Kurt,
challenge for them
OMDA,
beyond the ifs and
FTK,
fifths coming up. If you compete the way they competed against them in that game, you got a chance.
IMMX,
So you don't think they've done that?
That's a
OMDA.
first game of the season, playoff type game, double
LTBR,
overtime,
SSI.
takes you to the edge.
So you don't think they've done that?
No,
Why you
they
NISX,
haven't been tested like
ESOA.
that.
But why you they go into every game with that mentality. That's
No, I'm
why
not talking about them. I'm talking about the other teams.
That's why they put them teams away within 3 quarters.
Oh, the other teams don't have what Houston had.
Well, they smacked them. So the other teams ain't got a
Xena.
chance.
They went in
TSSI.
overtime.
If they
right now.
beat that said
Second
team,
game.
other teams ain't got a shot.
Against the Pacers, we now know the
GWH.
Pacers.
They went in overtime.
They ain't got a shot.
MLGO.
And they
these are
figure out how to
games that
win.
Playoff
Shake.
type games.
Ooh, guys are
We're
getting
not
up for them, and they lose.
And they
TSSI.
not
gonna get up.
capable of being the veteran team.
Everybody
know
get
how
up
to-
for 'em.
Know how to win the game.
NRJ.
They're the
late.
champs. Everybody get up for them,
We got that.
right?
But every
OMDA,
single team in the past
Stacking up wins.
that has been the
CPSH.
champs, from
IZEA,
Milwaukee
RGC,
to Denver to Boston
Definitely,
Celtics, we've had the conversation of
IMMX,
saying,
ONMT.
hey man, these guys figured it out. They got this team and they could come back next year and whoop, whoop, whoop.
TSSI,
What happened to
MLGO,
Jason Tatum?
ONMT,
All the way up until the
ENLM.
end.
AMPG.
Boston Celtics look good.
Yeah, but they were on verge of losing that season or losing that series even with.
That's what I'm saying. So even though they start hot and we looking at the defending champs, like y'all should come back. Y'all should come back and beat something.
Yeah.
It don't mean that you're going to do that.
It's all over the place like
don't
man
mean
Twister in this bitch.
And I like
gotta follow. Follow.
Can't you all over it? Red dot, green dot, red dot, blue dot, nigga. You.
It all come back to the black dot. Pay attention.
Shit, I'm trying, but you got niggas hold this bitch. Stretch this arm, this. Want me to put my left arm behind my back to touch this one, and my left, like.
You gotta listen to comprehend.
But when you look at this Thunder squad, when you look at this Thunder squad versus those other teams that you mentioned, they're in a very good position.
They got very different because this team actually, each player knows their identity. No one's having crisis. No one is thinking they're option 2 or option. Option 2 knows he's option 2. He's fine with being option 2. Option 3 knows he's option 3. The defenders know they're the defenders, so there's no mid-season ego. So if someone tries to run the narrative like they did against Boston, who is the number 1 option here, that doesn't work with that team. This team is coming out dominating, right? They're not having these ups and downs, games, losing here, winning here. It's just like Golden State. Even though we know what happened at the end with Draymond getting suspended and that kind of handicapped that team, other than that, that team walked through the NBA. Steph Curry was sitting on the bench in the 4th quarter. Same as this. Sitting on the bench and watching, laughing.
IDAI.
Playing throw the bottle top. That's how easy regular season was for them. And right now, there's no team right now today that looks stable 10 games straight to say, okay, they can compete with them. Everybody's sitting there doing what regular season does, and this team they look the same as when the Bulls was doing it. Golden State we have references now where we can go back and see, okay, when the Bulls did the 72 and 10, what they look like. This is what it looks like.
CTXR.
Where do you feel like this Thunder squad stacks up against some of those all-time great squads? When you look at what they've been able to do.
To the end of the season, to the end of the regular season for one, see what their record is at the end of the regular season, and see what they do in the postseason. Then you judge.
SMGF.
After 21 games, they are the best team in this NBA this year.
But even coming off last season, winning the chip.
That's fine. That's last year. They got that in their pocket already. That's in the bank. Cool. You got to win another one. And go doing it the way they're doing it now will put them in the conversation with those teams. But we got to finish the regular season at this trajectory, like they have been, putting motherfucking BTA, nigga, belt to ass, and go through, have a couple sweeps in the playoffs and things like that. Then you'll be like, oh shit, they really for real, right? That's the way it looks.
Do teams normally get better throughout the season?
AOP.
Really good teams get better. Good teams get better.
Just making sure.
Bad teams get worse.
So a lot of these teams, we look at the East and you look at the West, the standings, right? Is it a representation of good teams playing bad?
I mean,
like we look at
Clippers supposed to be number 2.
Well, I'm talking. Let's start with the East. 5, 6, 7, maybe 8. Those teams right there usually are in the top 5.
But they're not where they are.
Right? So they've been playing bad basketball.
LBRX.
But the East is not the greatest. You look at the West.
OPRX.
The top 4 teams, we could predict top 4 teams are the top 4 teams. Like you said, the Clippers. Where they at? 14? Shit.
DBI.
So they not one of the teams that's up there. Grizzlies.
They're starting to play better.
Dallas, we wouldn't have predicted Dallas to be so far down. Certain teams that we're like, yo, it's either these teams got a long way to go as far as turning it around. But we now got to consider them bottom half of the conference now. So for me, I'm looking at it like, all right, we do got a long way to go. But Kawhi sitting there real optimistic about how they can turn it around and still
turn what around?
Their season.
Boy, this shit over.
So however you mix it, you still got good teams that feel like they're good. They just need to get it together. You need to figure it out. When you talking hoop, you got 2 teams that's figured it out. They striving. OKC figured it out. They like, look, we ain't taking our foot off the gas. We gonna keep this bitch rolling. So if you can't figure them out, they gonna keep doing it. But history tells us 73-9 don't mean shit. That's all I'm saying. 73-9 don't mean shit if you ain't gonna take it all the way over. And you don't got a LeBron James on the other side that's gonna stop you, but you do got teams that's got guys that can play.
LBRX.
But the problem is this.
Shake. LBRX.
Everyone can get better.
Shake.
They can get better.
LTBR.
So the fact that they're dominating now and they have not played with their whole roster, that's the bad part, right?
NIXX.
That if they're 20-1 right now with this and how their lineup has been, and you haven't had the full lineup,
MCS.
there's no other team that can say, hey, we're waiting for our guy to get back. So that's them. They're saying that. When we get our guys back, y'all in trouble. That's what they get to say. So
MCS.
I don't think there's a team in the East right now that is even loaded enough to beat anybody in the West. It's going to be a West Championship, right? It's going to be like OKC, if they get hurt, right? Knock on wood. That's the only reason they won't be in a championship. Or unless they run against Jokic and Jokic is saying, fuck all y'all, and do what he does best, right? Those are the two right now we know are very elite. The team is elite. OKC, I mean, not OKC, but Houston's problem is the best players are very young. And we know during playoffs sometimes, this is not an OKC young where the team is young, but the best player is 26, everybody else is kind of a little older.
CDT.
We're talking about Sengun's on his 30, like that is a young group of guys, and they still play young, right? So I really don't see them making it all the way, but I see them like giving somebody some trouble. Golden State is one of those teams like, if you don't really have a great game plan, number 30 gonna tear you up.
They could turn it around. But they could turn it around. And remember, February is the deadline.
ELTX.
Right? So we still can maneuver shit around roster-wise.
KZIA.
And make other teams look. But it's just for everybody. Like for everybody, it's AD.
Here's the crazy part though. The Thunder could do that and make some fuck you trades just to say.
They got a lot of.
Not to say they will.
How many teams have won the championship? I can just think of the Detroit Pistons that made a
in-season trade.
A major trade, and that player helped them win the championship.
Took them over the top.
Yeah.
That don't happen.
That's really hard.
They come off
Because usually a team that does that is desperate.
Lakers
with Paul Gasol.
No, that was.
It wasn't mid-season, was it?
That was a mid-season.
But Javaris, remember he came to our team?
Yeah,
LBRX.
That was in the summer. And they didn't win a championship.
Boston wasn't. No, it wasn't Boston.
No.
That's probably the last one. Detroit.
Yeah, the last Detroit.
Boston.
Hold on. Yeah, it was February 2008 was that trade.
Yeah, they didn't win a championship that year. They wanted to.
Yeah. But made it to the
It was
final.
in February, right?
Black History Month.
That would be the only thing I think that would scare OKC. If somebody made a good trade, a good acquisition to a guy that could help them win, that would be the deterrent.
Not saying they could do that, but if they have some injury issues or any situations, they have some draft capital at their disposal.
When did Drew Holiday get there?
Yeah.
KZIA.
Was that missed?
Did they make a trade?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
I don't know.
Before the deadline?
IDAI.
They won that year?
During the COVID? No, after the COVID.
That was after?
Yeah, I don't know. But I know it's rare.
It's rare. For sure.
So let's talk a little bit about SGA. SGA coming off the MVP season, one of the front runners again this season. With his consistent bucket getting reaching historic levels, SGA dropped 26 in the win over the Blazers to his extended streak of consecutive regular season 20-point games to 93, passing Wilt for the second longest all-time. Wilt also holds the record for the longer streak with 126 games. No other players in league history have reached 90-plus games, and the next longest active streak is only 19 games. SGA also currently leads the league in clutch points despite only playing the fourth quarter in 10 of his 21 games this season. So when you look at what SGA is doing, 93 straight regular season games with 20-plus points, how impressive is that streak?
Crazy.
It's the greatest thing we've seen.
Man.
I'm pretty sure there's nobody alive that's talking sports that actually seen Wilt do what Wilt did. So for most of the reporters, this should be the greatest thing you've seen. Somebody hold 20 plus this long.
So 93 20-plus point games or 1,297 10-plus point games?
20.
Okay.
We seen what 10. We seen what all you need to do to get 10.
WKSPGLY.
Like 10 ain't dominant. 20 is considered dominating, right? 10 ain't. Right? that ain't dominating.
Had a cool 10.
Huh?
Jordan didn't do that?
90 something? Nah.
93 straight.
That's what I'm saying. You're talking about 90 something games of 20 plus.
Yeah.
That's, I mean, we
kind of crazy.
We wasn't watching basketball when Will played. Most of the shit Will did, we didn't even see. He shouldn't even be up there.
They could have been capping. They just changed the box score.
With 18
Not doing youth league.
That's it.
It must have been a blowout or something.
They just changed it to add a little free throw like we did in youth league. All right, but let's get to a very important conversation. We got Gerald McCoy here.
What year did he do that? Will, the first one?
Let me see.
I mean, when did he start it? From the day he came into the league?
Yeah.
KXIN.
Then he had like
KXIN.
340-point games or some shit.
I'm trying to see who's alive to witness that. I'm just saying, like, so if they're not talking about this as this is the greatest.
October 19th, 1961 to January 19th, 1963.
So basically, nobody that's in sports that's there's nobody who should be alive, right?
No. There's a few. There's a few.
He was born there. You had to be talking sports. But I mean, for you to be talking sports, you had to be about 2025.
There's one.
QTT Big
Right?
Show.
Skip was
Neon.
born in 1950.
50. It was 50. So,
1922.
know what I'm saying? So,
WKSPNRIX RGIN.
Fox Sports.
Outside.
1950s.
am I wrong?
With the radio.
Is my math off a little bit?
37, 62 years ago, yeah, they would be in their 80s. They would be in their late 80s.
When?
If they were around to see that while they were of an age to be a sports journalist at that time.
They would no, for a journalist, they would have had to be at least 2025.
At least 20.
That's what I'm saying.
At least 20 years
So they'd
old.
be in their late 80s.
How old would they be right now?
They'd be in their late 80s if I'm not, my math
Look, goes for
is not off.
It's 200 and
Joe Lewis, 173 years old. 39, 64, yeah, they'd be in their mid to late 80s right now if they were alive to cover.
VE.
So
yeah.
They're working for Jet Magazine.
or 83, yeah.
You seen it?
We got
Geos.
Did the Mavs make the right move firing Nico Harrison?
Show.
Kenny, let's start with
RGC.
you. Representative from Oak Cliff, strong Dallas ties.
ALMU. LITM.
It was inevitable to start the season off the way they have. Anthony Davis
NRIX.
having surgery, not looking the way
ALMU.
they thought he was going to look. From day one last year, he got hurt the first game he played last year. So
BKKT.
All right, we're back. We're back.
KPTI.
Rich Tech still up. BBI up 10%. IONQ is going off. Market looking. Well, not really. Indexes is pretty flat, but the AI and quantum sector and robotic sector is taking off.
TTEC.
Soundhouse up 5%. Well, that's getting
LPSN.
too soon.
Sphere. Show. HKIT.
Oh shit.
CBLL. MBIO. Show. CBLL. Kerr. CVRX. Exodus. RGC. MBIO. USAR. KZIA. Serve. FKUR. Rhyme. Show. WDO.
Nah, I still should be able to win this. Am I at the playoffs?
ALMU.
I still got a chance.
GTEC.
He's ahead of me by points. Wow.
TTEC. CBLL.
PHOE.
TTEC. Spear. TTEC.
Uh-oh, here comes BBAI. This shit taking off, boy. Once it reached that breakout point.
ALM, USAR, Spear. ELBM, ILMU. Bake. Kerr, NMAX. NRXP. Kerr. AIF, BKSY. MDCX. LDCS. ELTX. FRMI. OSS. ONEG. EPWK. LNAI. RGC. CVRX. KZIASP. WTF. LTBR. KZIA. ALMU. QMCO. NMAX. Die. QMCO. LUNR. CABR. CABR. Flock. Serve. FRMI. LNAI. BKKT. Quick. MLGO. USAR. BLFY. LTBR. TTEC. Bake. Path. PMC. TBR. HYPD. XAIR. HYPD. QMCO. KZIA. BKKT. CHPT. BKKT. LITM. EOSE. KZIA. CHPT. IMMX. Xena. TTEC. Spear. KZIA. Xena. CHPT. KZIA. BKKT. Bearn. APES. BTM. XAIR. LUNR. HYPD. Spear. Die. JBIO. LTBR. CELZ, CBRX, Flux, INMB,
SMJF,
Swag, KZIA, TBHC, Aero, KZIA, SEGG, Rhyme, ACRV, MRAM, CHPT, STI, Aero, ACRV, TTEC, Vague, FTK, ETHC, ACRV, Xena, WTM, LINR, BTAI, WBTN, INMB, LTBR, MOB, HTOL, ETHC, BTM, MLGO, Shake, Flux, ACRV, ELBM, OKUR, BKSY, CABR, Flux, MDCX, CMTL, CABR, YDKG, Die, WBTN, Vern, NRIX, PESI, JBIO, WDO, ALLR, XGN, Die, WBTN, ANVS, MLGO, IMMX, NRIX, RGC, BRR.
Alright, so I just took profits on IO and Q. Yeah, I took profits on IO and Q. I think it's resistance at 54.75.
MDCX.
You feel me? So I took profits there, and I think I was right. Made about 232 on that trade. What else? So far, day trading today, I made about 300 today. Not bad.
MDCX, ELTX,
and this is with all the SPY down and the Q's down. It's not even in the red, and the stock's moving like this. Interesting. And this is getting to the buy entry point soon.
YSXT. WTF. AFCG. Die. IMMX. KZIA. INMB. Gree. MLGO. KZIA, INMB, KZIA, AHT. YDKG. SEYT. RGC.
AGCC.
INMB, SKYT, YDKG, PESI. CABR. Lyra. Hollow. ONMD. Lyra. KALV. Xena. BDMD. ONMD. EOSE. ELBM. BDMD. Gree. Xena. HTOL.
Let me start looking at some of these calls for SOUN.
INMB. KZIA. ACRB. Chris. Geos. INMB. INMB. Half.
$15 cost for SC. Where we at? Time. Not
PMCB.
What about April?
PMCB. CETX.
Interesting.
Bearn. WPMCB. AMPG. SKYT. CMTL. NBIL. EOSE. Bearn. FRMI. WDX.
Okay.
YSXT. ALTX. SKYT. PBM. Half. PBM. WBTN.
BBAI trying to get above 680. That's where it needs to break out. That's 680 area. It breaks out of that shit gonna really take off. Rich take above 452. I want to get to 5.
PMCB. LPSN. Shake, MYNZ, hollow, SYNX, HTOL. KALV.
Rich Tech. Who said Spy trying to bounce back? No, Spy been fried.
WDO.
Pretty much.
MSGY. SYNX. RGC. NRXP.
BBAI, baby.
EOSE. PMCB. IMTX. ACRV. FRMI. JBIO. KALV.
Yeah, I was gonna say, what the fuck that shit looking at?
EOSE.
Yeah, my face look crazy swollen, boy.
CPSH.
Trying to hold above that 459.
YSXT. CETX. JBIO. HTOL. USAR. ONAG. TZUP.
Because that could get rejected nasty as well.
ACRV.
The upside. What about the downside? It gets rejected.
ISSC.
20% move to the downside. We got a trading range right here.
ONMT.
PESI. I'm ready for both sides, man. Stop playing with a nigga.
KLRS.
That 680's a bitch for BBAI, man. Come on. Get above 680. If that shit could close above $7, I think that shit's gonna make its way towards 10 real fast.
MBO. Shake. KALV. Shake. Shake.
Come on, Sid, get above 680, man. That shit is wow.
MBO. PMCB, TZUP, walk. TZUP.
Alright, instead of penny watching, cause that shit gonna drive me crazy.
TZUP. 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 Walk. KLRS.
Credit calling.
LNAI. Vern.
One of the biggest things that
WDO. JBIO. USAR. MPLT. MRKR. TZUP. ALLR, BNED, PMCB, TZUP. MPLT. ALMU. YSXT.
Here comes Rich Tech trying to get above 453. Let's get it.
CMTLT. SQMS. SYNX.
Come on, BBI. Get above 681. Is SPY trying to bounce? No. Q trying to bounce? Nope. Come on, BBI. Get above $6. Get to $7, bro. You can do it.
kind of breaks my heart with you is he talk and say, baby, listen, if we got to agree to disagree, then that's fine. Daddy's not trying to offsprings and kids. Not getting therapy. We've had black folks on social media commit suicide. We've had clips of that. I think social media, the power and the positive power that it does have is the witnessing of other people having the same crash out of mental health crisis as we as a viewer are having and normalizing it for
VVOS, FRMI.
We'll pick women who run them, emasculate them, verbally abuse them, talk to them anyway. Because for that man, that's all he knew was that is how a woman leads.
MSGM.
Doom, 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 doom. Let's see.
WVUY. RMCO. SBEV. PRLD.
Stay above 681 BBAI. I'm at 680.
WKEY. MPLT. APM. ONMD. AP. ONMD. YGKG. Vague. LUNR. MPLT. IMTX. MPLT. Serve. SGN. KLRS. VVOS. TBHC. MPLT. EOSE. ALZN. AMPG. Riley. AMPG. AIFF. LUNR.
GBI. Stay above 680. There you go. Come on. There you go, Rich Tech. Get to $5, man.
WKEY. AEBA. EOSE. Path. IMTX. Egan. Cross. PTN. Egan. STK. APUS. YGKG. Spear. WKSP. WVUY. Serve. SYNX. AEBA. Craft. SNBR. EOSI. WKEY. BNED AISP Bold FRMI GLMT IVDA STK Exodus SNBR QTTB APM HIMC Riley QTTB AISP Aaron YDIG serve green cross half CIFR ALMU FRMI ONEG NRIX EGAN QTTT AMPG EGAN PL
Come on, BBI. You gotta stay above 680, man. Come on.
KSCP
Spy just made a red to green move.
KSCP
Let's see what it do.
SNGX BLMZ FRMI ALZN NBIL CIFR ONEG TBHC AISX KALV HIMC NRIX Vosk Chai PRSI ESLA UHG SVRN APM IVDA EVCM WBUY UHG MAGH HIMI QTTT AISPH SHPH SPRU TZUP Exodus UHG WBUY
So Spy's trying to make a red to green move, huh? Interesting.
TZUPSOA. Boss. Mind. Gree. Quick. Exodus. HIMZ. AEVA. Flock. ELBM. Exodus. Spear.
460s for Rich Tech.
DEVS. QTTB. DEVS. MLGO. DEVS.
There we go.
AP. MRKR. DEVS. XGN. VVOS. Spear. LBRX. MDCX. KRRO. MDCX. EVCM. KRRO. Spear. EVCM. AEVA. Cross.
Wow, KBTS up 11%. That's a big move.
IVDA.
IONQ. What I say, man? That resistance 54.75. That's my next buy entry.
PL. AR.
AI.
MDCX. AREB. SQNS. MLGO. Quick. ALLIDN. STK. LUNR. ALMU. IVDA. SNBR. AKSY. ESLA. GP. XGN. MBIO. IVDA. DEVS. XGN. IVDA. SNBR. Tello. AREB. ESLA. DEVS. ESLA. Mind. DEVS. CCCX. DEVS. ELTX. DEVS, AEVA,
RBBA gotta do is stay above 6'8", and we vibing.
DEVS,
And then we got Rich Tech. It could stay above 46. It's a good move today so far.
BKSY.
Here we go. Look like Soundhound is starting to move now. Getting close to the buy-in tree.
FRMI. CST. EVCM. HTOL.
APLD making moves.
AMPG. Lays.
I see a spy trying to penetrate that. That golden
PTN.
right there.
Quick. XGN. SBEV. BNED. SBEV. HIMZ. AMPG. AEVA.
Clay Thompson disrespected all around NBA has crossed the line.
BLFY. MLGO.
You gotta stand up for yourself, man. Look at Bitcoin right now. It's chilling right now. I'm ready for Bitcoin to take off, man. What's wrong?
ALUR. SBII. BNED. XXII.
30% moving back to all-time highs. It is not that far away, dog. Trust.
RLBM. WKUY. WKUY. HCTI. Gree. Mind.
Pull it back. Start pulling back a little bit.
GLBS. GLBS. AEVA. ISSC. AHT. Bosk. IBIO. HTOY. Bosk. GLBS. XGN. Lays. LBRX. GLBS. Mind. XNCR. DEVS. BNED, MDCX, SPRU, Lace, MDCX.
Alright, it's 12 p.m. Usually it's time to get around lunchtime. And so far on the day, let me show y'all my profits, man.
DEVS, MRKR, DEVS.
Maybe I can see it. That's my profit so far. So far, so good, man. But we're gonna be back here same time tomorrow. I'll be back later on the day for the gaming vibes, you feel me? Thought I was gonna get to it today, but I ain't have time, so we're gonna have to come back on the gaming vibes later, you feel me? So it's all back on the gaming vibes later, you feel me? So come back on the gaming vibes later.
IDN, PESI, MVO.
Alright, you gonna check back in. I'm about to sign off. You feel me? Alright, you gonna check back in. I'm about to sign. Sayonara, y'all boys. Thank you for tuning in to the motherfucking show. I know it could be boring, but sometimes it's boring making money. You feel me?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are tonight's entertainment.
Let me see if I sound good far away from over here. Let me see if I sound good far away from over here. Oh yeah, I sound good.
MRKR, BLFY.
Alright, man, I'm about to sign off. Y'all boys, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Y'all boys, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Y'all tap in, man. Tap in tomorrow. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Y'all tap in, man. Tap in tomorrow. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Y'all tap in, man.
MRAM.
Like the dummy that I am. Hold on. Like the dummy that I am, I could have been put this shit in. I forgot I got the headphones back, dog. I'm tripping.
MVO. CST.
I'm trying to see if I sound decent from over here without being all up in the mic shit, man. Alright, so I could sign off like this or Nate. Let me see.
KRRO.
Oh yeah, we vibing just like this. Okay.
EVOS.
Oh, I could be far away and talk my shit. Oh yeah. So, oh, the Blue Yeti way better. Oh shit. That's what the fuck I'm talking about. Oh, this shit way better. I don't even gotta have this shit all in my face, all in my Figi, kid. Oh yeah, we vibing, kid. Yeah, we done vibing. Okay, we been vibing for a minute. Alright, y'all boys, I'm signing off for real, man. Y'all tap in tomorrow. BBAI going off, Rich Tech going off, SONUN going off. We'll be back with the gaming vibe latest, man. So y'all tap in.